Hello, today we will varnish a painting together. From the equipment, you need a sticky roller to remove dust and hair, you need a varnish, you need a brush, and you need the container where to pour the varnish. I was afraid to ruin the floor with the varnish, so I covered it properly before starting. Your painting should be absolutely dry. It's recommended to wait 6 months before varnishing. I took varnish and poured a bit of it in the jar to prepare. Then with the sticky roller I went through the whole painting, trying to collect all the dust, hair and everything else that can be sticking to the painting. And here you can see me applying the varnish. I decided to apply only one layer, even though I've seen on the internet that you can apply several layers. I'm using the acrylic brush, but to be honest, I think that you can find a cheaper brush, and I would suggest to take a bigger brush because it took me some time, and some of the spaces I think were left not touched because the brush was very small. As I mentioned, you should apply varnish only on the absolutely dry oil painting. It is recommended to wait until 6 months. In my case, I finished this artwork 2 years ago and I'm varnishing it now, and everything was alright with it. But I've heard that if the painting is not completely dry, the varnish can ruin everything. I love the amount of depth the varnish is giving. I think you can see already the difference because the dark spots are becoming darker and the lights are kind of popping up and being more lighter and more white. It takes around 24 hours for varnish to dry, so after you applied it, don't touch the painting because it's wet and just wait for it to dry completely.